Alright guys, here's one thing about algebra. I was trying to sneak it up on you. Alright, now we've looked at finding the missing angle in a polygon. So let's look at something like this. Okay, it's a 1, 2, 4-sided polygon. We know this angle, they're going to call this W plus 9, and they're going to call this W. Okay, and we've got 101 here, and we've got 114 here. So, we're looking for what W is. Now, don't get intimidated by those letters. Okay, it's very easy to figure this out. All you need to know is the same principle. Find the total number of degrees. So n minus 2 times 180. That'll tell me the total number of degrees. Alright, so for 4 sides, 1 minus 2, multiply that by 180, it's 360. So I know if I add everything together, I'm going to get 360. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, we add the 2, we'll call them constants in this case. Alright, 215. Now we're going to add everything together. So we're going to say W plus 9 plus W plus 215 equals 360. Now, when you're adding, what do you call them again? Variables. When you're adding variables, if they're the same, you can always put them together. 1 W plus another W equals 2 W's. 1 watermelon plus another watermelon, 2 watermelons. If it was a different letter, I couldn't do that, okay? So just remember that. So we're going to add everything together here, and it's going to come up to this. It's going to be 2W plus, we can add 9 and 215, okay? That'll be 224. So I know this must be equal to 360. Now I've got my basic two-step equation. I'm going to start by subtracting 240 from both sides. Okay? So it's basically going to be, 224. It's going to be 360 minus 224. So I know 2W equals 136. So the second step would be to divide both sides by 2. So W would be 72 degrees. And of course, W plus 9 would be 81 degrees. And I bet you if you add all those numbers together, you get 360. That's how you do it. So in one single question, you've got several things being asked. You first have to find the total number of degrees, or if you know that for a quadrilateral is 360. You add everything together, it's equal to 360. You add the two variables, give you 2W. 9 plus 215, subtract that from 360, 2W equals 136, divide by 2, W is 72, and then W plus 9 is 81. Pretty simple, huh?